Everybody has a day. Today is your own day. Behold, the new chapter of your life has been opened today. I say, don't be by your power, never by your might, but by the grace of God, you are alive today. And I say, you are unstoppable.
You are alive today by the grace of God.
Oh, join me and sing this song. Happy birthday to you, Odinaka Chukuna. Many more years to you, Odinaka Waidema. Omo Masaru, my God shall fulfill your days. What can he you? No weapon fashioned against you shall ever prosper. Amen. Any tongue that rises against you is condemned. Oh, he said, "Nemo aburo di jealousy. Nga ubo bero makana marachu kuneni sige karebi debido. They never cheat on